we're doing a video right now. If you don't know what the phone is, it's basically a rainstorm outside. You look at this. Here's how bad the storm is. Yeah, guys, that's how bad the storm is. This is how. Look at the flatbed. If you look closely, this is a storm how bad. This is my backyard outside. Look at how damaged it is. It is. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of water. Oh my gosh. This is the baddest storm. Look at that plot. If you don't know what I'm saying, look at that plot. It's so much. It looks like it's gonna overflow at any time right now. This is the baddest storm we have. I don't know if this is going to be our biggest storm we have been through, but we've also. Oh my heavens! Go! Oh my heavens! Oh God, heavens! That's a big flood. Let me just try to look. Look at that, guys. That's what I was right. That there is our front porch. Look, that's actually our front porch. Right there. If you don't know, right there. Do you know the area? That's our front porch. Like, oh, that's our front porch. Okay, goodbye. We'll give you further updates. Goodbye.